Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ and you have check engine light on and code P0420. Stay with us, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it in that video today. It could be something super simple that most people never think about. Now, why we mention these three vehicles? Because all of these three vehicles actually share the same platform, the same drivetrain, same engines. We'll be demonstrating on a hybrid, but non-hybrid engine will be exactly the same way. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's go ahead, open the hood here. I want to show you something quick guys. Okay, check it out now. Right here guys, this is the engine. You can see on the left side it's just a regular 2.0 engine, hybrid or non-hybrid, it's practically the same. The difference will be the transmission, the torque converter and the electric motor that's integrated in the transmission practically, but everything else on the left side, exhaust system, everything's the same. So code P0420 guys, it indicates that the catalytic converter it's not doing its job. You have two catalytic converters. One, if you notice now, okay, let me just get here. This is the one on the intake, on the exhaust manifold right there. This is the catalytic converter, main catalytic converter there, and you have a secondary catalytic converter right after that. But the engine computer does not have an idea what's happening with that one there, the secondary one. It has an idea what's happening only with the first catalytic converter, because right after that catalytic converter you have an oxygen sensor. I'm talking about that oxygen sensor right here. This sensor is known as a downstream oxygen sensor. That oxygen sensor practically guys detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. If it's not, that sensor will pick up the signal, okay, and send it to the computer and say we have a problem. But now, if you have that code, what it could indicate? It could be a bad catalytic converter. I would recommend to clean it first, guys. There is cleaners that you put in the gasoline for catalytic converters that can help quite a bit. Okay, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Next, it could be, guys, problems with the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor, okay, if that oxygen sensor is not reading correctly, you may get a code P0420 when you actually have a good catalytic converter, but it tells you it's bad. Also, number 3, look for exhaust leaks. Loose oxygen sensors. Flex pipe, which is right here, you cannot see it, but you have a flex pipe, okay, right there. That flex pipe on the exhaust. If that flex pipe is leaking, you have a leakage somewhere from the exhaust manifold gasket. The oxygen sensors, both of them, flex pipe, exhaust system, that can trigger the code sometimes as well. So always make sure you don't have any exhaust leaks as well. If you want to see what needs to be done to replace catalytic converter, we have a video that explains that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.